Hey guys, welcome to the Hoan Zone where we help you multiply the assets you own. Welcome to July. We made it halfway point. You know what that means? Mid-year resolutions. What? Mid-year resolution. It's kind of like a New Year's resolution, but it's set up to be done from July to December because we have half a year left, exactly half a year. Now, by the time you're watching this, it's going to be a little past July 1st, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Just get into the spirit of getting the goals that you want accomplished. Now, why does this even exist? Why did I create a mid-year's resolution? Well, it's because humans are very finicky creatures. We need things to be perfect because we have feelings. And when people set New Year resolutions, what happens is they say the weather's bad, it's too dark outside, I don't feel like it. That feeling, I don't feel like working out, I don't feel like doing things today. That feeling will derail you from getting your results, you getting the goals that you want. So a mid-year resolution is a much better, let's say, strategy because it's light out, the weather is nice, and this is going to allow you to go do what it is that you need to do. Because like I like to say, knowledge, confidence, action, results. You got to take the action in order to get the results, but you're going to want to feel like doing it. And if you don't feel like it, you're not going to get it done. So July, perfect month to start getting things done. Now let's talk about you setting your goals. It's not going to be like what you did in January or December where you just said, I'm going to lose 10 pounds. That's not enough. We need you to connect an emotion to the actual goal. If you want to lose 10 pounds, the question is why? Why do you want to lose the 10 pounds? We got to attach some emotion to it. If you don't have the emotion, you're just going to be like, well, I don't really feel like doing it, even though it's sunny out and the weather's nice. What we want to do is connect a strong feeling, a strong emotion to the goal that you want. As an example, if you said to me, Hoan, I want to lose 20 pounds, right? I want to lose 20 pounds. And I say, why? And then you say, well, because I want to fit into my pants a little better. Weak. Yeah, would you agree? Kind of weak, right? But if instead you said, Hoan, I want to lose 20 pounds because my doctor said that my blood pressure is too high and that I need to lose weight, or else I will not be able to live long enough to see my son or my daughter walking down the aisle or graduating from college or whatever it is. Now that is a goal that is an emotion that will really keep you to your goal, you achieving that goal. That's what I find to be the biggest difference between people who get the results that they want versus don't. They didn't attach a strong enough reason behind it. You may have a reason, but I want to highlight in words that you want a strong reason. Now, I know 99% of the people watching this video, you still may not go out and do what it is that you need to do. And I get that. But we are not going to worry about the 99%. We are going to be worrying about you. You are the 1%. You guys are the ones who get things done. So now we got to talk about how do you get things done. So we talked about having the goal and attaching an emotion to it, a strong emotion. Don't forget that part, right? Attaching a strong emotion to it. But there are the action steps that need to get done. So how do we get these action steps done? Well, it's two ways. Either one, you're going to do the actions, or two, you're going to hire somebody to do the actions. Either way, if the action gets done, you will get the result. So now, if you're going to do it, you're going to write down what is it that you need to do in terms of, do you need to become a better person, as in more skilled, more educated? If so, what kind of training do you need to get, and how do you go about getting that? If you plan on hiring somebody else to do the work for you, you got to figure out, how are you going to figure out whether that person is the right person for the job? Either way, the action needs to get done. It doesn't need to be done by you, but it could be done by you. But now you got to write out the details of how that action is going to be done. Now, we have mastery because we have anticipation. We anticipated that we wouldn't feel good in January because the weather was bad, because it was too dark. So we're doing it in July because we anticipated that the weather would be better and that we would be in the mood to do things, to get things done so that we can get the results that we want. The other thing that we have to anticipate is the fact that it's going to take longer than we think or anticipate or expect for us to get our results. We're going to take an action, but the universe is going to take its time to respond to your action. Don't be disappointed that it doesn't happen as fast as you want. Give yourself the 6 months. Heck, give yourself until July of next year. But bake in some extra time so that you don't beat yourself up too badly because you're not getting the results you want fast enough. Part of the anticipation is knowing that it's going to take longer than you expect, but that's okay. As long as you keep taking action towards your goals, you will eventually get your goals. Having that anticipation is your mastery. Work on that. Don't rush the process. Trust the process. So for this year, or for the rest of this year, I plan on my goal, right? I plan on increasing my income by 6 figures. And on July 1st, what I did to help me achieve my goal was I joined a mastermind, an accountability group, so that I would be held accountable by other people who depend on me to hold them accountable. So there's this pod where I am now being held accountable to take the actions that I need. So that was me hiring the people that I needed. That's like what I was telling you guys about with the action. If you're gonna need more skills, if you're gonna need some accountability, put that in place or figure out what you need to put in place so that you can take the actions in order to get the results. If you guys are looking to join my accountability group, I'm going to be creating my own program for you guys to join. This is going to be starting in September, so it's a couple of months away from today and from your resolution, but it's perfect because it's still going to give you enough runway to keep that momentum going during the dark season, right? Because it's going to get dark again. It's going to get cold again. Joining in September is the perfect time for you guys to join a group because you're going to need the extra help. From July, August, September until September, it's going to be bright and sunny. Figure out what you need to do while the weather's good. And then in September, you can join my program, and then we are going to work on you achieving the goals that you need. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys the resources that you need for your specific goals. I don't know what they are, but we are going to work on a strategy and a game plan so that you can get your goals. If you're interested in something like that, check out hoanzone.com. It's going to be posted soon. I haven't created it yet. It's part of what I'm creating, my overall plan. But look for it, go to hoanzone.com and check it out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We release new videos every Monday and Wednesday here at the Hoan Zone, designed to help you multiply the assets you own. That is it, folks. Make sure you set your goals and attach a very strong emotion to it, and let's check in later. All right, guys. Peace.